The allure of the Miss Lemon Abelia, a gardener's guide. There's a certain charm to variegated foliage plants. Their leaves, splashed with contrasting colors, bring a touch of whimsy and vibrancy to any garden. One such charmer is the Miss Lemon Abelia, a captivating shrub that recently stole a place in my heart and garden bed. For those unfamiliar, the Miss Lemon Abelia, Abelia x grandiflora, Hopley's lemon zest, is a semi-evergreen shrub prized for its stunning variegated leaves. New growth emerges with a bright yellow margin and green center, gradually maturing to a delightful combination of creamy ivory and emerald green. This captivating color play adds year-round interest, even when the delicate light pink flowers aren't in bloom, typically from summer to fall. Is a Miss Lemon Abelia the same thing as kaleidoscope? While both the Miss Lemon Abelia and the kaleidoscope Abelia, Abelia x grandiflora kaleidoscope, are stunning variegated varieties, they have distinct characteristics. The kaleidoscope boasts a more dramatic color contrast, with its foliage featuring bold splashes of yellow, green, and even hints of pink. The Miss Lemon Abelia, on the other hand, offers a more subtle elegance with its creamy ivory and green tones. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preference. If you crave a showstopper with vibrant colors, the kaleidoscope might be your pick. But if you seek a touch of understated beauty, the Miss Lemon Abelia might be your perfect match. How to care for your Miss Lemon Abelia. Adding a Miss Lemon Abelia to your garden is a breeze, but proper care ensures it thrives for years to come. Here's what you need to know. Light. This beauty prefers full sun to part shade. In hotter climates, afternoon shade can be beneficial to prevent scorching. Soil. Well-drained soil is key. Amend your soil with compost or sand if needed to ensure proper drainage. Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first year after planting. Once established, it's fairly drought-tolerant, but keep an eye on it during extended dry periods. Pruning. Prune lightly in late winter or early spring before new growth emerges. This helps maintain shape and encourages blooming. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer applied in spring can promote healthy growth. With this basic care routine, your Miss Lemon Abelia will reward you with its captivating foliage and delicate blooms for years to come. Where to buy Miss Lemon Abelia? The good news is that finding a Miss Lemon Abelia is relatively easy. Here are a few options. Local nurseries. Many reputable nurseries carry a variety of Abelia cultivars, including the Miss Lemon. Online retailers. Several online plant retailers offer Miss Lemon Abelia for purchase, often with convenient delivery options. Big box stores. Some larger garden centers may carry Miss Lemon Abelia, especially during peak gardening seasons. Beyond the basics. Additional tips for success. Here are a few additional tips to ensure your Miss Lemon Abelia thrives. Companion planting. Consider pairing your Miss Lemon Abelia with plants that share similar sun and water requirements. Lavender, ornamental grasses, and blue salvia can create a stunning and complementary visual effect. Winter protection. In colder climates, USDA zones 6A and below provide winter protection with a layer of mulch around the base of the plant. Pests and diseases. Miss Lemon Abelia is generally pest and disease resistant, but keep an eye out for common garden problems like aphids or scale. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Miss Lemon Abelia becomes a treasured part of your garden for years to come. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance shrub that adds a touch of elegance and whimsy, look no further than the captivating Miss Lemon Abelia.